Content created in InfoAssist can be set to use the responsive auto-prompt feature to control parameter-driven charts, reports, and documents. This feature enables you to create parameters and then make dynamic selections at runtime based on the options you create. This gives you flexibility and the full advantage of viewing your data dynamically. You can use a parameter to select the fields to display in your content at runtime. To create a parameter, right-click the field container that you want to control and click New Parameter. A new field container is placed into the query pane within the container that you selected. Simply drag fields from the data pane into this new field container. Repeat this as needed depending on the fields you want to be able to select from at runtime. You can also define the parameter prompt that will be presented at runtime by right-clicking on the parameter container and selecting Parameter Prompt. This allows you to apply the correct categorical labels for display at runtime. You can create parameters for measure fields and dimension fields. Once your parameters are labeled and the related fields are organized, you can run your chart, report, or document. At runtime, the parameters display based on how you set them up in the query pane. You can now view different aspects of your data using the dynamic selections and parameters you created. Parameters give you control over your data at runtime. Once your parameters are set up, your data is easy to access, allowing you to dynamically navigate it to make quick decisions. To learn more, visit the WebFocus knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.